You might remember the Honda Prelude as a sporty coupe from decades ago. We certainly do, and we look back on it fondly. Excitingly, the Prelude now appears poised to make its return to Honda's lineup, as indicated by a concept car that looks remarkably ready for production. Its styling is sleek, and we think it looks exactly as you'd imagine a 21st century Prelude to be. Powertrain and mechanical details are slim, but we expect it to share components with the Civic and Accord models, and Honda promises that it will offer a fun driving experience. Although its name is familiar, the Prelude will be a new addition to Honda's lineup, and it will serve as somewhat of a replacement for the discontinued coupe versions of the Civic and Accord. We expect it to arrive for the 2025 model year, although the exact timing for the production model isn't clear. All that Honda has divulged so far is that the Prelude concept car has a hybrid powertrain. We suspect this means it will be powered by a version of the hybrid system found in Honda models, including the CR-V, Accord, and upcoming 2025 Civic Hybrid. Front-wheel drive is likely to be standard, as that was always the Prelude's configuration in the past, but we wouldn't rule out an all-wheel drive option. Sadly, we don't expect a manual transmission to be available this time around.